Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Imagine being able to control the flow of your programs just like directing traffic. What if you could decide which path your code takes based on specific conditions? Exciting, right? Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In this series, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python programming. Today, we're tackling something every coder needs to mask: conditional statements. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using if, elif, and else statements to control your program's flow. Ready to level up your Python skills? Let's get started. Imagine you're a chef in a busy kitchen. You need to decide what to cook based on the ingredients you have. Conditional statements in Python work just like that. They help you make decisions in your code. They allow you to execute specific blocks of code based on certain conditions. Pretty cool, right? Did you know there are several types of conditional statements in Python? Let's take a quick look. If-else, nested if-else, if-elif-else, and ternary expressions. We'll explore each of these, so hang tight. First up, the if statement. It's like asking, is it sunny outside? If the answer is yes, you wear sunglasses. Let's see this in action with some code. So here we set the temperature to 30. The program checks if 30 is greater than 25. If it is, bitch, it is. It prints it's a hot day. Simple, right? What would happen if the temperature was 25 or less? Think about it for a second. Exactly, nothing would be printed. Sometimes we need to decide between two options. That's where the if-else statement comes in. It's like asking, is it sunny outside? If yes, wear sunglasses. If not, grab an umbrella. Let's code this scenario. Here, the temperature is set to 20. The program checks if 20 is greater than 25. Since it's not, it prints it's not a hot day. What if the temperature was 30? It would print it's a hot day. Try changing the value and see what happens. Now, let's get a bit more advanced with nested if-else statements. Imagine you're deciding what to wear based on the weather and the temperature. Let's break it down with code. In this example, the temperature is 18. First, we check if it's greater than 15. It is, so we move to the next check. Is it greater than 25? It's not, so it prints it's a warm day. If the temperature was 10, it would print it's a cool day. Give it a try with different temperatures. Want to check multiple conditions in sequence? That's where if-elif-else shines. Think of it as checking different weather conditions. Hot, warm, or cool. Let's see how it works. Here we first check if the temperature is greater than 25. It's not. Then we check if it's greater than 15. It's not, so it prints it's a cool day. If the temperature was 20, it would print it's a warm day. Try changing the value and see how it changes the output. Let's talk about ternary expressions. These are great for short, simple conditions. It's like a mini if-else in one line. Check this out. In this example, we check if the temperature is greater than 25. If it is, message gets it's a hot day. Otherwise, it gets it's not a hot day. With temperature set to 20, it prints it's not a hot day. Try it out with different temperatures. When using conditional statements, follow these best practices. Keep it simple. Avoid deeply nested conditionals. Simplify logic where possible. Use meaningful conditions, easy to read and understand. Combine conditions, use logical operators that and or to combine multiple conditions. Consistent formatting. Follow consistent indentation and formatting for readability. This example combines conditions to check age ranges in a clear and readable way. Try it with different ages and see how it works. That's it for today's tutorial. On conditional statements in Python, we've covered various types of conditional statements and some best practices for using them effectively. In our next video, we'll dive into loops in Python, including for loops and while loops. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.